Parrots can hold a grudge longer than your ex.
This little guy still hasn't forgiven me for forgetting his treat last week.
That's good.
Have you ever felt like your pet is giving you the silent treatment? Turns out, some animals don't just remember bad experiences. They hold grudges just like humans. How do we know? Parrots are incredibly intelligent, with the cognitive ability of a 4 to 5-year-old child. They form strong bonds and can recognize faces for years. When mistreated, they may refuse food, scream at their owners, or even ignore them completely. Parrots may hold grudges, but they also hold love for a lifetime when treated well. Respect their intelligence, never ignore their needs, and be patient and gentle. Be their favorite human